Welcome to Create Your Own. You'll need flour, salt, and water, and a bowl and a spoon to mix. Scooping out 1 cup of flour at a time for a total of 2 cups. Next, add 1 cup of salt. You'll need 1 cup of lukewarm water. When measuring liquids, you should always put it on a flat surface and get your eyes at eye level with the item. Perfect, that's 1 cup. As I go back to my bowl with the flour and salt mixture, go ahead and add about half of it, start stirring. And then again, add a little bit more and stir. I don't put the whole cup in because I want to make sure that it's not too sticky of a dough mixture. But it did take the full cup after all. It's always easier to add a little at a time. You can't really take water out of a dry mixture. With flour on your hands and a floured surface, you'll get ready to roll out your salt dough mixture. I kind of liked playing with it, smushing it down with my hands. But yes, a rolling pin to get it to about a 1/4 inch thick, maybe a little bit under a 1/2 inch thick. You can use a butter knife and trace your hand, or you can use cookie cutters. Totally up to you what you'd like to design for your ornaments. I use the end of my paintbrush, which I'll use later, to create a hole for my ornaments. You'll want to do this before you dry your ornaments. A couple options when drying your salt dough ornaments: setting them on a tray and letting them air dry, or setting your oven at a very low temperature and letting it cook for a little while in the oven, or what I'm trying today as an experiment, the microwave. 10-second increments on a plate. And let's see how this works. Well, it certainly does work. I stopped it after 10 seconds, flipped it over, and it was starting to dry pretty good. Why not? Makes it a little quicker, doesn't it? You choose which way works best for you and your family. Once it's dry, guess what? You can paint. I also recommend using Mod Podge as a final coat over top of your objects too. Of course, you can't forget to put a special little ribbon or thread through it to hang your ornament.